Hello, guys. I've been busy, and I realized this super exciting thing that's coming up. I haven't shared with you guys here on YouTube, so we need to make that right today. I am preparing to teach an intro to crystal healing workshop, and I've put together a crystal kit that I'm going to be sending out to you guys as we prepare for this workshop. I'm just going to go through for a quick second what comes in that kit so that you guys can see, and then also what we're going to cover in the workshop. All right. So obviously for our crystal healing workshop, you're going to need crystals, and I have a handful of crystals here. So it's one for every chakra, right? And I will explain, when I first got into crystals, I did not understand chakras. And so I had to learn from my science Western perspective how to understand and appreciate the way that the chakra system maps onto our understanding of the human body, the biological system, right? And so that's one of the things that I'll be sharing with you guys is an understanding of how crystals work from a scientific perspective, which I think is incredibly powerful. Everything we do here at Ivy+Light is all about knowledge is power. You understanding things so that you can be your own healer, right? So then besides all of the crystals and this gorgeous velvet bag that you get to store them in, carry them around with you in, you will get a sage bundle, which is going to be very important to the part that we talk about, which is caring for your crystals. This goes for your crystal collection. It also goes for any crystal jewelry that you wear, any larger crystal pieces, how to care for them so that they are doing their best for you constantly. They're at their energetic peak, doing the most work for you. All right. Then the third thing we're going to talk about is how to combine crystals with other healing modalities. This is something that in a lot of intro to crystal healing courses, you will not get. They'll just explain crystal to you. But I think that you, in order to start combining the power of crystals with combining it with the power of other natural healing methods, for example, meditation, you don't need to know that much to get started. And I want to give you the confidence to intuitively incorporate crystals into your other healing methods that you already know and love. So we'll be going into that more in depth than any other intro to crystal healing course you could ever take. All right. Then the third thing or fourth thing, and I'm super excited about this. This is a new method that is really gaining popularity. I've been onto this for years, but it's really other people are getting on board with this, and that is pairing crystals with essential oils. And that is an incredibly powerful combination. It's one that I use every single day, but the way that some people are doing it is not particularly safe. So when you're storing crystals in your essential oils, there are some safety precautions you need to understand. And I will be adding that into this intro to crystal healing workshop. So if you've known crystals for years, you're still going to want to get this information. The other thing that will come in your kit is of course, super safe and effective version of using crystals and essential oils. So we have some clear quartz crystals and an essential oil blend that is good for clear minds. And I'm going to teach you how to use this and some other ways that you can combine crystals and essential oils safely. So how do you get involved with this? We'll have a recording of this. It's something that you can watch into the future. So definitely grab your ticket now. That will get you the kit. That will get you access to the replay of the live event that you can watch as many times as you want to get all that good info. Another thing I always send when I send out crystals or crystal jewelry, they are always sage cleansed and Reiki infused for even more boosted energy. And Reiki is one of the healing modalities we'll talk a bit about in the workshop. Then this goes for the essential oil and crystal roller bottle as well. I also always send crystal properties and affirmations. And so you'll get that. Plus, I'll be sending you an email with a download for you that will have all of the information and note-taking that you'll want to do during the class. So a lot of other things to make that workshop experience as wonderful as possible for you. So go ahead and head over to ivy+light.com, get signed up today, and I will get that crystal kit out into the mail for you as soon as possible. All right, guys, leave any questions if you're watching this back on the replay. Leave any comments and questions down below, and I will still try and get back to those for you as quickly as possible. Love you guys. Love and blessings to you all. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon.